Next topic is OLTP, that is online transaction processing. It deals with the current operational data on which the transactions can be performed. It is used because performing the operations on large data sources is very difficult and time consuming process. So what is the meaning of this definition? It deals with the current operational data. Current operational data, which data is to be used currently by the various companies or the ventures. So as we know that the data sources including the databases and data warehousing are of larger sizes. In order to manage them, the concept of OLTP and OLAP are to be used. As compared to OLAP, OLTP uses the current data, but OLAP works on the historical data. So OLTP is used more frequently to generate the user requested results. One of the example about the comparison between OLP and OLTP is, for example, we have a bank and bank have 100% record about their transactions, about their all the operations. So for this, the bank uses the 93% of data is the historical data, and remaining 7% is the working on the current data. So 93% डाटा जो हिस्टोरिकल डाटा होगा उसके लिए कम्प्लेक्स क्यूरीज और मोर स्पेस हमें चाहिए होगी और कम्प्लेक्स क्यूरीज परफॉर्म करनी पड़ेगी. But instead of this when we are performing on the current data, a simple queries are to be used and it is easy to store the current data. So OLTP works on the current data. So as compared to OLAP, OLTP are widely used. So this is the difference between OLP and OLTP. First difference is OLAP works on the historical data present in the data source, and OLTP works on the current data on which the transactions are to be performed currently. Second is it provides summarized and consolidated data because it works on the historical data, but OLTP provides a primitive and highly detailed data because it works on the current data. OLP uses a large amount of memory which ranges from 100 GB to 100 terabytes, but as compared to OLAP, OLTP works on the current data, so the database sizes range from 100 MB to 100 GB. OLP systems are used by the knowledge workers such as the executives, managers and analytics, but OLTP to deal with the current data, the specialist DBA, database administrators and database professionals are to be needed. So the proper knowledge about the concept about the database and about to maintain and modify the database is needed. So the DBAs are to be DBAs work on that data. Next point is the processing speed is slow because of the large size of data is to be used. As compared to OLP, OLTP use small data in the small chunks, so the processing speed is slow because of the small data is to be used. Next is only the read operation is sufficient as no alteration is required. Both the read and write operations are to be used, are to be required because we are working on a current data. The complex queries are required to fetch the all summarized data. Simple queries are to be required. It is subject oriented, it is application based. These are highly flexible and OLTP provides a high performance. Last, OLAP provides a summarized and multi-dimensional view of data, and OLTP provides a detailed and flat relational view of data. In this step, in the fifth step, the processing speed is slow because of the small size of data instead of the large size of data.